Well, hello there. It's Diane, and welcome to my basement. Today, we are going to learn about the Cartesian plane. Well, first ask yourself, what do I know already about the Cartesian plane? Well, I know that a plane is a reference system for situating an object, a place, or a point. I probably remember that from last year. If not, hold on to your hat because you're going to learn something new today. To locate a point precisely, we use a Cartesian plane. And here's a beautiful Cartesian plane right here for you. It is formed of two axes. You have a horizontal axis across we call this the X, the horizontal axis. And then we have a y-axis, and we call that the vertical axis. In a Cartesian plane, each point is represented by an ordered pair. Here you have three ordered pairs, 3, 6, 0, 0, and 8, 4. I just want you to note something. When you hear the word ordered, what does that mean, ordered? Or even order, O-R-D-E-R, order. Well, I ordered dinner, but they don't mean that. When they say order in the court. No, not that either. They actually mean there is an order, like first, second, third, fourth. And then pair, not the pair that you eat, that's P-E-A-R. This pair means two. So there's an order with the two numbers. It is an ordered pair. The first number is your x-axis, and the second number is your y-axis or your vertical axis. So your horizontal x-axis and your vertical y-axis. And what I always tell my students is you go in the elevator and then you go up the elevator. What do I mean by that? Well, let's look at these points. By connecting the points of the ordered pairs 3, 6, 0, 0, and 8, 4, you can see a triangle. Let's start with 3, 6. That is our first ordered pair. So we go in the elevator to 3, and then up the elevator to 6, and they meet at our green dot. So that's the first ordered pair. The second ordered pair is 0, 0. We call this the origin. The origin, 0, 0. Over 0, up 0. That's our red dot. And then our third ordered pair is 8, 4. They're in parentheses. So we go in the elevator to 8, and then up the elevator to 4, and that gives us, let's call that a yellow dot right there. So by connecting the points, we see a triangle. And basically, that's all you need to know about a Cartesian plane. I have a quick question for you. Is the ordered pair, and I will write this down for you, is the ordered pair 2, 1 the same as the ordered pair 1, 2? Remember, they're in parentheses. That lets us know it's on a Cartesian plane. So, do you think that these two numbers, I have like a little Pixar lamp in there, don't I? So, are these two ordered pairs, 2, 1 and 1, 2, are they at the same spot? Let's check it out. So, if we look at our book and we go to in the elevator 2 and up the elevator 1, we land here. However, if we go in the elevator 1 and up the elevator 2, we land there, which are 2 different spots. So that's why ordered pairs are really important. They're not equal. That's our symbol for not equal. It's the equal sign with a line through it. They're not equal. So it's really important that you keep your ordered pair in the right order. All right, so let's check this out. Let's practice. At the bottom of page 36, it says, in a Cartesian plane, one point corresponds to the ordered pair paren, don't forget that parenthesis, paren 3, 4, end paren. If this point is moved 2 units higher, so that's up the elevator, which ordered pair would describe its new position? So if we go in the elevator 3, but we need to go 2 units higher, we would have to take 4 plus 2. So I know it's going to start with paren. There you go. And then 3, because we're going in 3, and then a comma. But we need to know what 2 units higher than 4 is. So 4 plus 2 is 4, 5, 6. I'm going to say 6. But don't forget to end that paren, right? 3, 6 in parentheses. Makes sense to me. And if it makes sense to me, I'm pretty sure it's going to make sense to you as well. Let's try some more. At the top of page 37, it says, write the ordered pairs that correspond to the points of these 2 stars. So we have a red star and we have a yellow star. And they want us to write ordered pairs. So let's look at A. If I had to write the ordered pair for A, I'm going to have a paren, a comma, and a paren. And I need to find the 2 numbers that go inside, right? So we say our horizontal axis first, because we go in the elevator. And I see the A is here at the top, right? So I go up. It looks like it's at a 3. Would you agree that there's a 3? Over 3. And I go all the way up to 9. 3, 9 is what I see. I spy with my little eye the ordered pair 3, 9 in parentheses. Hey, I got it right. Did you doubt me? Let's look at B. So I'm going to go in the elevator to 5. So I'm going to put my paren. In the elevator to 5. And up the elevator to, it looks like a 7. In the elevator 5, up the elevator 7. Did anybody else get that? Anybody? Lots of bodies. 5, 7. Way to go. This is fairly quick because it's, you're just kind of looking and plotting points. So it's not too difficult as long as you remember in the elevator, up the elevator. That'll really help you. Let's try C. In the elevator to 4 and up the elevator to 4. Look at that. 4, 4. Now I'm missing something. Can you tell what I'm missing? When you have an ordered pair, I have the two numbers and my comma to separate them. What was I forgetting? Oh yeah, my parenthesis. Thank you. You need your parentheses on the side. 4, 4. Way to go. I'll let you finish the rest. I think it sounds like you're doing a great job. How about we go to page 4? So on page 4, it's not page 4, it's number 4 on page 38. So on page 38, we see number 4. And it says, Lunas, the distracted witch, often misplaces things. Oh, she reminds me of myself. I misplace my things sometimes. To help her find them, write the ordered pairs to locate the items in the Cartesian plane. Ooh, maybe I should do this to help me find my keys and stuff so I'm not late for work. Have you ever misplaced something? Yeah, it's not fun when you're running around looking for something and people are telling you to hurry, 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 is it? It would be much cooler to make a little map where you put all of your stuff so you can find it easily. Well, let's see what Lunos has misplaced. It looks like she's misplaced a witch's hat. Ooh, her boot. A book. A haunted Halloween bag. A cauldron. A lollipop. Num 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 num. A crystal ball. What is that? Is it like a toy or her actual house? How do you misplace your house? Okay, I've never misplaced my house before. I can honestly say that. Well, a shoe, a potion, a treasure box? There's nothing in it though. A candle that's lit? Okay, she has to find her candle with a flame. Never lost a candle with a flame either. Oh, and there's something at the origin. What is that? It is maybe a bag of... what do you think's in that bag? What would be in a witch's bag? Marbles. Definitely marbles. She's misplaced her marbles. Do you know what that means when you've lost your marbles? It means you've gone silly. Maybe I've misplaced too many of my marbles. Okay, let's continue. So, the first thing that we have to find is her hat. Let's write the ordered pair for her hat. Well, we have to go in the elevator, up the elevator. So let's go in the elevator to 3 and up the elevator to 9. So it should be paren 3, 9, end paren. 3, 9. Ooh, what else do you want to look for? Let's look for the lollipop. Yes, let's look for her candy. Well, I see her candy here. And I have to remember in the elevator 9, up the elevator 5. So it should be parenthesis 9, comma, 5, end parenthesis, or end paren. Great job. 9, comma, 5. Ooh. What else do we want to look for? Do you want to look for her marbles? Let's look for her marbles. Her bag of marbles. It is at the origin. And we know the origin is 0, 0. Paren, 0, comma, 0, end paren. Well, that was fun. I think you can do the rest on your own. Anything else interesting that you want to find? How about, you know what I want to teach you today? I want to teach you a game. Yes, definitely want to teach you a game. Have you ever played Battleship and you had this little layout? Usually the game Battleship, it has letters and numbers, but because we're learning about a Cartesian plane, I put the numbers along the bottom and the numbers along the top. So for this game, what you have to do is, I made it small. I only made it 5. My vertical axis, or my y-axis, is 5, and my x-axis, which is my horizontal axis, is 5. So if I have 5 by 5, I'm going to have 25 squares, right? If I was to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So in this game, there's technically 25 squares that we're going to be playing with. And in this game, I'm going to hide a boat. I've actually already hidden the boat. And I'm going to show you. At the bottom, I've redesigned it, and I've hidden my boat. You got a little sneak peek. So there's a boat there. Now you have to guess where my boat is. And I'm going to give you a hint. It's a 3-square boat. So what you can do is you call out ordered pairs. So you can say 1, comma 1. That means I look at, on my Battleship Cartesian plane, at square 1, over 1, up 1. That would be this one, and I say, nope, it's not there. And then you go again and you say, okay, Diane, how about 2, comma 2? And then I say 2, over 1, 2, up 1, 2, and I say, yes, I have a boat. Part of my boat is there. So you're trying to find my 3 points. Now, I'm going to give you a hint. It can either go 1, 2, 3 that way, or it can go 1, 2, 3 that way, or it can go 1, 2, 3 that way, or 1, 2, 3 that way. You're not quite sure where it is. So you have to sort of sink my ship by finding out all 3 squares where I'm located. Where else could you go? So you're going to tell me, you're going to go 1, 2, up 1. So you're going to say, Diane, 2, comma 1. Or ordered pair 2, 1. And I'm going to look at mine and I'm going to go over 2 and up 1, and I'm going to say, yup, that's 1. So now I want you to tell me what my last ordered pair is. How are you going to sink my ship? You have 2 already, so you only need 1 more left. There's 1 left. What is the ordered pair in my Cartesian plane? Okay, what's the x-axis? You go in, everyone should know it's 2, and up, over 2, and up, 1, 2, 3. You sunk my battleship. You got it. So if you look at the bottom, that's exactly where I had put it. Now what's great about this game is that you can erase it and you can keep playing again and again. I just put it in a plastic sleeve. So if you want and you're bored, you can always play your battleship. You can make it bigger. You can make it go all the way up to 10 and across to 10. And you can have bigger boats. Shall we play another one? I'm going to hide a boat for you. All right, 1, 2, 3. I've hidden another 3 boat. So someone call out a spot, an ordered pair. There's nothing at the origin because there's nothing there. 2, 2. 2, 2. Let's go over 2, up 2. Nope. 5, 5. Over in the elevator 5, up 5. Nope. 3, 3. Over 3, up 3. Nope. You're on a roll. 4, 4. Nope. This one's tricky. 1, 1. You know you want 1, 1. Ah, you got one. One of my boats. There. So now you know it's either going to go up by 2 or across by 2. Where is it? Are you feeling lucky? 1, 2 or 2, 1? Raise your hand if you want me to put it at 1, 2. And raise your hand if you want me to go at 2, 1. All right, 2, 1. Good job. You got my boat. Over 2, up 1. So you know the last one is, yeah, you in the front. Yeah, go ahead. 3, 1. Good job. You sunk my battleship. You got all 3. Way to go. That's exactly where I had put it. Okay. Wow. Great job. And stay curious. I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.